What's staying, what's going with this project? Talk me through it.
Terracotta tiles,
Love them.
staying. Rock wall,
Tick, staying.
Marry bench,
Yeah, staying but lowered down. Rafters,
staying. But we're getting rid of all the pine because that just looks a bit cheap and nasty. So
yeah, fill, gyprock, paint, but keep the feature beams.
yes.
Love the
well.
texture on the walls, that's got to stay, but freshened up paint. Blinds going.
Going,
Windows.
drapes. 50-50, I think the timber is really beautiful. We're going to refurb what we can and replace what's seen better days. Fireplace.
Love it, clean it up. Okay, so talk me through the kitchen. What's happening here?
It's going. Brand new kitchen is going to happen. We're going to do a really beautiful range hood, which is going to have this real organic feel to it. Brand new appliances, sink, to really create this connective space between the outdoor kitchen and...
I love this connection here
yeah.
to the outdoor area. Okay, so bathroom, master bedroom and wardrobe. All this is getting reconfigured, right?
All going.
Taking out this wall here, you're putting curved arch.
Yeah, so this is going to be a big bed head that we're going to create in the wall with a beautiful arch.
And what's happening outside here on the deck?
Outdoor bath, so that you can be sitting here and looking out at that beautiful ocean view. It's pretty magic.
Yeah, it's happy days.
The green, staying or going?
It's got to go.
It's got to go.
It's got to go. Yeah. So downstairs, talk me through the plan.
Laundry being relocated into the store. This is going to become a bathroom, so there's going to be 3 bathrooms under the main roof of the house, refurbished bedrooms and extra bathroom in through there.
Ensuite into that room.
Correct, and this will be the second living area downstairs.
And door connection to the outdoors.
Correct.
Awesome.
Done.